Mateo, thank you very much, first of all, for the business. How did you find us?
I think I found you on Instagram. I've been following you for a while on Instagram.
Oh, right. You told me that almost a year you've been following me.
Yeah.
This is
so we
good.
feel all the projects you were doing, and then
Yes.
when we decide to pull the trigger, just funny.
Yeah, nice. And how was the process for you?
Yeah, so basically, I think we started and we met. You came here, we met, we discussed about the project a little bit, and then we basically have a little bit back and forth about kind of what exactly we want in the project, what do we want, also based on our budget. Then we start to work.
Then we finalize everything.
Yeah, finalize everything. Yeah.
I remember how we designed with you the idea that you had in mind. Regarding this beautiful jacuzzi that we built. Yeah, and this is IP wood that we choose. How do you like the wood?
Oh, it's fantastic. Yeah, we want something that feels like a real wood and have like all the different shades and texture.
Yeah, this is one of the most expensive wood, but it's considered the best for the exterior. It's holding very good outside. So we did the pavers, right?
Yeah.
We did the block wall.
Yeah.
We did
draining.
Yeah. We fixed all the horizontal ones and the post. Now the challenge was to make it detached.
Yes.
So you can service it.
Yes.
This was the challenge, but we did it really nice. I also like the fence that they are actually matching the wood that we used for the jacuzzi.
Yeah, and provide even more privacy and everything. So yeah, we love it. We already showed to some of our friends and everyone kind of feels looking forward to come here for barbecue.
Don't forget to give my number.
yes, definitely.
Nice. Thank you very much for the business.
You.
Thank you. Appreciate it. So we demo everything out, and then we dig a trench for the jacuzzi. We run a 220 line, and then we actually build a frame around the jacuzzi. The next part is that this section, the front section, we can detach it to service the area. And then we wrap everything up with the IP wood. If you can see here, the nice detail, we wanted to keep the tree as much as possible because it's really come out really nice that the tree is integrating into the design. Also, we run LED light all around the bench area over here that we created. And we also created these stairs to go up easily, and all of this accommodating to the design. So we also built this beautiful pavers, and we run an outlet for the outdoor kitchen that the client supply and provide. We did this beautiful patio cover. It was existing patio cover. We just replaced some bad wood, and then we paint all of it. So we did planter wall. We did some gravel, and overall it's come out really amazing, and it's a nice place to be in, and I'll recommend everyone to have a backyard.